In today's video, we will discuss the principles of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a subset of the information security. Information security is a broad field that encompasses protecting information in all forms, whether digital, physical, or intellectual property. The goal is to protect these assets from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, destruction, or disruption. Cybersecurity, on the other hand, is focused on protecting internet-connected systems, including hardware, software, and data from cyber threats. It deals with threats that originate from the digital space, such as cyber attacks, hacking, malware, and other online vulnerabilities. There are three pillars of cybersecurity: confidentiality, integrity, availability. This triad of principles constitutes the objectives of information security called CIA Triad. Confidentiality is not just a word. It's a shield that keeps your data safe. This means that your data is kept confidential and private. Only authorized people can access the information. When confidentiality is compromised, data is exposed to unauthorized parties. Confidentiality is the first principle of cybersecurity, ensuring data is classified by sensitivity and protected with appropriate security measures, such as encryption, access controls, or a virtual private network to keep it private and accessible only to authorized individuals. Integrity means data is authentic, accurate, reliable, and free from tampering. When integrity is compromised, it means unauthorized parties have altered the data. Techniques like cryptographic hash functions, logging systems, digital signatures, and version control systems are examples of tools to maintain integrity, providing assurance that the data remains as intended. Availability means data is accessible to authorized people who need it. When availability is compromised, authorized users are denied access to the information. Techniques like redundancy, failover systems, and regular backups are some strategies used to maintain availability, keep your systems running smoothly, and minimize downtime. Along with the CIA Triad, the AAA framework is another essential concept in cybersecurity that you should be familiar with. AAA stands for Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. Authentication means IT system will check who you are. For example, when you log into your email account, you enter your username and password. The system checks these credentials against its stored database to verify that you are indeed the person you claim to be. If the credentials match, you are authenticated and allowed access to your account. Authorization means what you can do after authentication. For example, once you're logged into your company's internal network, you may only have access to certain files and folders depending on your role. For instance, as a regular employee, you can view your department's documents, but you cannot access the HR department's files. This restriction is based on the permissions granted to you by the system's authorization settings. Accounting means what you have done. While you are logged into the network, the system keeps track of your activities. It records how long you were logged in, what files you accessed, the changes you made, and any data you transferred. This information is stored in logs that can later be reviewed to audit user activity, ensure compliance, or investigate any suspicious behavior. These principles, confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, authorization, and accounting, form the foundation of cybersecurity. By understanding and implementing these principles, you're not just protecting data, you're safeguarding trust in the digital world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on cybersecurity.